Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, just in case you may not be seeing my face very well. All right, welcome to Gentleman Fish Academy. Yes, we are about to take a new dimension right now. Now, a lot of people have been calling and been asking me if I can actually shoot a video on how I do my ovens and send to people outside there. So I thought it wise to shoot this video and make the general public see what we can actually do. Now, don't mind the voices coming from the background. You know, we're in a very busy place in Benin City. Yes, this is New Benin City. That's the location of our workshop. Anytime you come around, if you're living around the doorstep, you'll be able to locate us. But however, this video is designed so as to help the people outside there see and know that it's possible to have a very small oven of about 4 feet by 2.5 feet that is pure stainless. You know, I've gone through a whole lot of videos on YouTube and nobody has been able to account for a small oven of about 4 feet by 2 feet by 2.5 that is pure stainless. And those that are just starting up will be wondering, come on, does it mean that we that do not have enough money, can't we get pure stainless ovens? Definitely you can. Mirror stainless for that matter, at a very, very affordable price. Now we are going to construct one. And of course, the capacity of what we are talking about is just about 100 fish capacity, right? Don't mind the voice at the background. It's actually a very busy place. 100 fish capacity. And the 100 fish we are talking about are not 1 kg fish, but we are talking about 500 grams fish, which is half a kilo. By the time we are done with this oven, you are going to be amazed at what we can do. And however, if you're interested in what we are doing, don't forget to, call the number you see on your screen and we will make this construction work for you and deliver to you anywhere you are in the world. So straight, let's go and introduce the different stuff we have for this project. All right, so first and foremost, we have some stuffs here. The first thing you see here is this wire gauze. Of course, this is what is going to hold your fish in your oven. It has not been touched yet. This is about 2 yards of it. Then you have this rod here. These rods you see here are fillers. You use them to fill your mirror stainless job in case there's any opening or any uncalled for outlets that heat can escape. You use this to fill them. Now you have these are your electrodes. Of course, they are for pure mirror stainless electrodes. Very, very expensive. Then you also have this hinge which you are going to use. These are outstanding materials, pure stainless materials, I can tell you, and they are very, very expensive in the market. Now you also have this. Of course, this one is going to be your cover, your lock. You can actually use a padlock for it at the end of the day if you do not want anybody to access what you have in your oven. Then also you have this is going to be your burner. Of course, this is a burner. And of course, it's a very high capacity burner, which we are going to use for the oven. It comes with its own valve here. And trust me, by the time we are done with this job, you will enjoy it. Then you have here your, these are for aesthetic purposes, okay? They are there to design the oven at the end. Same thing with this, they are there to design the oven. All this you see are for pure aesthetic purposes. Same here for designing at the end. By the time we are done with this oven, you will be amazed at what we have. Then you have this brush over here. Yes, they are used as smoothness, to smoothen the job you have done and make them shine and appear mirror. That's what this one will do. Of course, this one will help you size up your job. Then you have this soap. Yes, this is a soap material you will use to do the washing at the end and make the mirror stainless material appear effulgent. Then you also have these papers which you are going to use to remove any rough surface you see while your job is going on. And then you also have this. Of course, this is your oven. Now this is an oven thermometer. It will help you detect the quantity or the amount of heat in your oven. And of course, we have prescription. Anyway, let me not start talking about how to use this. But by the time we are done with this design, we are going to shoot a separate video on how to use your oven and make sure that it lasts for you for donkey years. Then we go straight to the stainless materials. Now what you have here is 1 mm. I say 1 mm, 1 inch pipe. If you look at it very well, this is pure stainless, and they are very, very expensive in the market. Then this one you see here is 1.5 you know, pure stainless, Miro stainless materials. And trust me, you can't find them at a very cheap price. They are very, very expensive. And then you also have your angles here. You have 1.5 angle here too. Then at the end you have your board. Now this board you see here is your Miro stainless material. Let me pull it for you to have a view of what we are saying. Perfect. Can you see how it is? It looks exactly like Miro. It's already reflecting what you see over here. Now these materials are one of the best stainless materials you can find in not just Nigeria but in the whole world. Trust me, they are of high standard capacity. And everything about this oven we're about to do is going to be purely stainless, Miro stainless for that matter. It's quite expensive to gather them all, but the gospel truth about it is that you enjoy it at the end. So if I have to remove them all, you discover that everything about it is Miro. All right, so of course you have a machine here which will always help us to work with our electrode, hammer, pliers, and then you have your cutter and everything. And of course, not excluding this guy. This guy is my media personnel. He's going to help me shoot this video while I will be working with my staff. Of course, I'm not going to be working alone. I'm going to be with a friend. Yes, I'm going to be working with him. And by the time we are done with this job, trust me, you will enjoy the outcome of what you see. This is another part of it, still Miro stainless. Yep. Yeah, it's a beautiful and effulgent material. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, let the job begin. Boom. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boom, we are about to commence. Of course, the very first part of the job is to get the frame of the oven constructed. And of course, constructing the frame will require the thickness of the Miro stainless square material. And we are talking about 1.5 inches square. Yes, that's going to stand as the 4 pillars of the oven. Now, as soon as we're able to install that frame, we go to the next stage, which has to do with padding the walls with your Miro stainless material. I don't mind the sounds you hear from the background. We are in the busiest part of Benin City. And then also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please press that bump and die. Press that subscribe button and you will always be notified by all the videos we are uploading on this channel. And trust me, you are going to be happy and glad that you did. Watch us as we construct the frame part of the job. Boom.